Hi everyone, welcome to Everything Data Analytics. And if this is your first time in this channel, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification button to receive updates on all the tutorial that I share every week. And then for today's tutorial, if you are the type of person that is struggling with duplicate in your data and then you need a quick fix to go about it, here is a way out. You can use unique function to extract unique value from a particular data set in Excel. So unique function help us to extract unique value from a particular from data range or from data set or data table. So you can use unique function to extract it. So now, assuming that I have this particular data here and I want to extract the unique value from here, I want to extract the unique value from here, all I need to do is to use my unique function to extract it, and we are going to be doing that now. So equals to unique, you can see what is saying that unique returns the unique value from a range or array. So unique, and then my array. What is my array? This is my array. This is my array. So now I'm going to be closing the brackets. So now you can see now that it has given us unique value for each of these. This is the unique value from this particular data set. This is the unique value. So we have just how many unique value from here? We have 5 unique value from here. So it has already extracted the unique value from this particular data range. So now let's assume that I want to know the number of occurrence for each of these unique value from this particular place. How can we go about that? All we need to do is to introduce our COUNTIF function to extract the number of occurrence. So COUNTIF function will count the number of occurrence for each of the unique value we extracted from this data set. So now we are going to make use of our COUNTIF function equals to COUNTIF. You can see count the number of cells within a range that meets the given condition. COUNTIF, then what is my range of data? This is my range of data. This is my range of data. My range of data is it, then comma, then my criteria. So now before I introduce my commas or my criteria, I need to lock my formula. So I'm going to be making use of F4 or $sign, F4 or shift $sign to lock formula. That's how to lock your formula. So locking your formula in a way that is not going to repeat what is in the first cell. So it will just update the exact data, that exact criteria that you are looking for. So I'm going to be using F4 to lock my formula. F4, then comma, then what is my criteria now? This is my criteria. I'll close the bracket. So now if I drag this down, you can see now that this has automatically updated itself, as in this has automatically filled it down. So now if we check for the first one, which is speaker, to know the number of time that it's occur. So now first 1, 2, then another speaker, then another speaker. You can see this is the number of time that it's occur, and that's it. Unique value with their count in second. That's how to use unique value with your count in second. So if you want more Excel hack and tips, follow for more tips. Most importantly, subscribe to my channel. If this video has helped you and you find anything in this video that has helped you, kindly comment, share, like, and also give me your feedback in the comment section. Bye.